Hey everyone. So as I said, I've been super duper busy because I've had appointments every day last week. I kid you not. And the only day I didn't have an appointment for, we were cleaning up because they were coming over. The fire inspectors were coming. And again, I'm still trying to get ready for me and my husband going away for a few days. So really not much time to do much. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this other one, Sunset something or other from Believe Beauty. And I used RSVP from this little small size I got. I think it was an order I had put in for Sephora a long time ago. A Sultry Sunrise. So I was only supposed to put on the lid. I put it all over, so that might make it a little hard to blend. So I'm gonna put this pretty red color right here on the lid because it's metallic. Yeah, so I just haven't had a chance to go through my sponge bobbin. Most likely I won't have a chance till after I come back. And I'm going to put this orange color as the contour. Really? Out of my cheek. I'm gonna put this this metallic color on the Bravo. Ooh, that is strong. Okay. Just kind of try and soften it with my Anastasia brow bone crayon. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so again, if it cuts off, I don't have enough room. I still haven't put my videos on a DVD. I was just exhausted and, you know, just doing whatever little bit I could over the weekend to get me that much closer to packing for vacation. So anyway, just wanted to let you know that I used this light bronzer. It says Sun-Kissed Honey. I got it because it looked like it was the lightest, because there was one called Golden Something, and on top, you know, when you swipe, it looks like, you know, like a pretty light bronze, and I can get away with that. But as you start to put your brush in it, it got darker. So yeah, not sure if I could use this as a like you know, highlighting bronzer at all. Then I also use the red blush, Amore, Amore. And I used again my Radiant powder, and I had gotten this color and I never really used it. I used it today, but it's called Fireberry. It looks kind of brownish, but it's like, and then I put this like gloss over it, Mimosa, and it comes out like red with brown undertones. So, you know, that's what I did. And of course I did put these this metallic color in the inner corners, and I believe that's all I used. Again, haven't really gone through the SpongeBob, but just wanted to let you know that you know, again, I follow Amanda, who is the Aesthetic Edge. She put up her Fantasy Makers, you know, what she bought, and she was having a hard time finding stuff, and then the orange and the pink popped up, and it's so far it is only available, the orange and pink. So instead of putting the blue and the teal, like, I mean, the purple and the teal like we got, most of the United States got, that I can tell, they put the orange and the pink ones there, and you can't order it, so it's very frustrating. And then as she was going through her stuff, I don't know how she found it, as she was on the website, she found they have a body sponge as well, I guess, you know, to put either foundation or highlighter on your body. And that also seems to only be available in New Jersey and Pennsylvania, as far as I can tell, because I tried New York and it didn't come up, and I believe I tried North Carolina. I usually put in zip codes of where I've been or I've lived or want to live, and that's how I find these, that it's available. So it's very frustrating, you can't order it. And Wet n Wild, they said they're not answering the phone. I don't know if they took the summer off, and you know, and when you try to contact them via the website, they're not answering. So as usual, it's a company that we all love, and yet they don't love us back because they make it hard. So it's very frustrating. And as for my hair, I toned it. I used the Wella T18 with some violet cooling additive, and it looks like it got most of that orange out. You can still see there's just a little bit golden there. And I don't think I saturated my hair enough to get the blue out, but there's still blue underneath. But it looks like I got a lot of it though. So that's that. And I won't see you next week. I will be on vacation. And this week I'm going to be busy too, because I have two appointments or 3 appointments, and they're finally coming in to put what nobody asked for. Oh, you're going to have a smart home. Now you're going to have a smart home. Isn't that wonderful? No, nobody asked for that. I just foresee problems that the locks aren't going to work, people are going to break in, or we won't be able to get in. So that's another thing that's supposed to start happening this week. So all before vacation. So anyway, so just I won't see you next week, but I will definitely see you the following week, but probably more likely towards the end of the week, because I have, maybe I could do it Tuesday, because I have a phone appointment in the afternoon, so maybe I could still do it Tuesday. So anyway, I will see you guys in 2 weeks. So take care. Love you. Mwah.